This, when the top of our tree came down in the storm.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and they all like to be up on that.
Yeah, they go up on it.
Hello.
Get your things, Nick.
That's Odie.
This is the only things that I care about is right here in my hand.
I mean, you can leave the rest of it there if you want.
But Nick, please tell us you care about us.
Well, I care about you and your birthday, or I wouldn't be here, of course. Happy birthday, buddy.
It's the greatest.
Hello. Hello. You're so pretty. All of you are so pretty. I'm curious.
Are you videotaping this? I'm gossiping, so you can't post this anywhere.
What are you gossiping about? Specifically, first name, last name? Yeah, as much personal information as you got. What can you tell me about these people? No, this is...
Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, get that out of here.
Don Marie's gonna kick our ass at darts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just like that.
How can there be that many of you in this small little town?
At the same time, it's a conspiracy.
A green bean. No.
You and Lily!
I feel like whatever, there's just one number left. I don't even want to throw it.
Yeah, double
Yeah, do it.
Oh!
Oh, we'll take it though. We'll take it. 22's great.
What? Are we doing the pictures?
You
Double
can start
13.
rolling with the family.
Nope, not even close.
Stupid. Yeah, keep it up.
That's fine. Okay.
Oh,
right
no.
above it, right above it.
Oh.
Yeah!
Oh, wow.
Hey, 64,
That's so much weight for her to wash. She's got
We'll do what we can do.
Yeah. But basically, she said that she's like,
This guy's good luck. Every time he walks in, he gets all in.
that was smart.
Fair. Can.
Wow. I see what he's gonna do.
Got it.
Be a tough one, but if anyone can do it, guess who? You, Chris. No, be you, Tanner. See? When I scratched, I lost. Fuck! I win by default every